Hey, this is David Hook with Bob Hook Chevrolet in Louisville, Kentucky. I just want to explain a cool feature that a lot of our cars have called remote start. Not all of them have it, but the ones that are equipped with it, I want to explain how to use it. On your key fob, what we want to do is we want to hit the lock button twice, not once. Once will not activate the remote start. So we got to hit the lock button twice, and then there's a little circle button that we have to press and hold down after we hit the lock button twice. So I want to show you how to do it. So here we go. And boom, it starts right up. So I've hit the lock button twice and then hit the circle button to start it, and it starts right up. It's a great feature if it's hot or cold outside to get the car cooled down or heated up in the wintertime. And if you forget about it, don't worry, because after about 10 or 15 minutes, the car will automatically shut off. So you don't have to worry about it, just run down your battery or run out of gas. After a few minutes, it automatically shuts off.